In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove fake Mcafee virus pop-up notifications in Microsoft Edge. If you are seeing alarming pop-ups claiming your device is infected and urging you to click a link, you are likely dealing with browser site notifications, not a real antivirus alert. The good news is, these messages usually come from a website you accidentally allowed to send notifications. We'll turn off that permission in Edge and stop those pop-ups for good. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. At the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. Then choose Settings. This is where Edge keeps all the controls for privacy and site behavior. On the left side, select Cookies and Site Permissions. This section manages what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Under All Permissions, click Notifications. This page shows which sites can send alerts to your desktop. Look for the Allow section. This is the list of sites currently permitted to send notifications. If you are getting fake virus warnings, the culprit is usually here. Scan the list for anything that looks unfamiliar or suspicious random strings of letters. Strange domains or sites you don't remember visiting. Legitimate services you trust, like your calendar or email provider, may appear here too. So take a moment to distinguish the good from the bad. When you find a suspicious entry, click the three dots next to that site. You'll see options like Remove or Block. Remove takes away the current permission. The site won't be able to send you notifications unless it asks again and you allow it. Block not only revokes permission but also prevents the site from requesting it in the future, if you are confident the site is malicious or unwanted. Block is the safer choice. If you are unsure, Remove is fine and you can always come back and adjust it later. As an optional safeguard to avoid this problem in the future, you can toggle off Ask before sending at the top of the notifications page. With this off, sites can't even request notification access. The trade-off is you'll need to manually enable notifications for any trusted site later on. But it dramatically cuts down on accidental approvals from deceptive pop-ups. That's it. By cleaning up the allow list, and if you choose, disabling future notification requests, you stop those fake Mcafee alerts from interrupting you. If you continue to see warnings after this, double-check the notifications page for any sites you missed. Thanks for watching.